I'll be right with you. I'm trying to figure out my hair. Now if I push it back, you don't see any highlights. That's why I want to lighten up my whole head. And if I push it forward, then you see it. But if I don't, then you'll get lost. We'll just leave it like that. Okay. I'm glad you're here. Today we got a great dupe. One night, I decided to open up one of my samples that was sent to me in a Sephora box. It was a sample of Tatcha cleansing cream. So all I did was follow the directions on the Tatcha sample pack. It said to take dry hands, put 2 drops in, and put it on your dry face. No cotton balls, no tissues, no washcloths, and no makeup wipes. And massage it into your face. After you're done massaging it into your face, like this, then start smushing it on your eyes. And then I go like this on the eyelashes. And then I'll sometimes smush it all over the whole face because you know what? I don't care because it's going to come right off when I go to the sink. So you go to the sink and you rinse your hands in warm water and you'll see all your makeup go down the drain. I have tried several cleansers in the past few months. I have been testing and testing and testing, and you'll see how much I've been testing because the bottles are halfway down and they're almost finished. So I've been testing this, and then I've been testing these other cleansers, which I'm going to demo for you right now. Okay, first cleanser that I tried is the Meltdown Makeup Remover by Urban Decay. This is a fabulous cleanser, but it's not good for your eyes. So it's a balm, and the whole top just fell off. And once it goes on your face, it turns right into an oil. So this is fabulous to travel. This is a great product to travel with. You don't have to worry about anything spilling. So I'll show you a demo of this right here. Yeah, I don't know if it's meant for the eyes. Okay, but that doesn't do it for my eyes. So now let me show you the one that was a front runner, but it's not the winner. Okay, it's by Arnaud, A-R-N-A-U-D. This has the same ingredient as the Tatcha. It has the fabulous camellia oil. In fact, I bought a whole bottle of camellia oil. In fact, I bought a couple of the ingredients that were in Tatcha. But it is complicated to make your own. It is complicated to do a DIY of dupe of this because, you know, there's certain other things that are in there. There's certain amounts that are mixed together that make it work. So I never fully finished the dupe. But I found a dupe. I found a cleanser just equally as good. It's not this, though, but this is good. But this one I feel like I still have to take my little erase washcloth and just wipe my lashes. But this is good. I've used it all the way down. And it doesn't do it the way the winner does. And I'll show you the winner in a second. First, I want to show you the magic in this. The magic in this is that it has a real cultured pearl. Can you see that? Let's see where it is. It's right here. Of course, I always do a second cleanse. I use my Simply soap and I use my Palmer's oil. I mix them together and I get a very, very thick, mild foam. And then I just put that all over and oh, I just love it. And then I'll use my little face silicone vibrating scrubby. use this, you don't need anything either. But I always do a second cleanse. And I did a second cleanse after this too. Now I'm going to show you a clip of this. So the Arnaud with the cultured pearl was a great cleanser. Price per ounce compared to the winning cleanser, it was way more expensive. Let me show you the winner. The winning product is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. It's an olive oil based facial cleanser that dissolves makeup thoroughly with zero residue. It's not greasy. It removes stubborn waterproof mascara. It's made with olive oil rich in antioxidants. It's made with rosemary leaf oil. And it has no colorants, parabens, phthalates, or mineral oil. It is a Japanese product, and it was founded in 1997. One bottle is sold every 10 seconds. People love this. I just put 2 drops and I start massaging my face to break all the impurities up, and my forehead, my eyebrows. Then I start on my eyes, and I stay on my eyes for a good minute. I use my palms, I use my fingertip, my ring finger, and I go through my lashes, all the way through my lashes to break everything up. Then I go to the sink. Then I put some warm water, very warm water on my hands, and I start massaging it, and the oil turns into a foam. And I do the same with the lashes. The lashes are the biggest problem. But with this, there's no problem. So after I'm done, I rinse that all. I use my Simply and my Palmer's and my little face washing machine, and my face is clean. Take the cotton ball with the toner before I did the second cleanse to see if my skin was clean. And absolutely squeaky clean after using this. Absolutely. This is my dupe for this. First of all, you use 2 pumps. You've got 6.7 ounces here for $26. Here, this is $28, and you've got 4.3 ounces. You've got more in here than you do here. This is 5 ounces for $48. This is 6.7 ounces, and this is only $26. And you don't need tissues, wipies, cotton balls, washcloths. You don't need anything with this. Just your hands. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. I am over the moon about this. I look forward to removing my makeup every night. It's so much fun because I'm not struggling anymore. I'm not rubbing as much as I had to. I'm not using up all my cotton balls. I used to use 10 cotton balls a night. And I'm not using my tissues up. I'm not using my wipies. It's really a miraculous cleansing oil. And I'll put a link below. Really, I mean, for what this does and how long it lasts and how much you get compared to the other ones, this is a real bargain. Deep Cleansing Oil by DHC. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. I hope you love the dupe. Oh my God, I'm in love with it. I hope you have a wonderful, happy week. And before you leave, if you want to share the video, tell your friends about the video, tweet the video, Facebook it, Instagram, and hit the boop and the boop. That would be so nice. And I would appreciate it so much. So remember, I'll see you next Saturday. And you look pretty good today, I'm telling you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Love you all.